everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Are you curious to know about smtnew.com? If yes, then watch this video because this unbiased review will help you to decide either you should use this as your online destination for shopping or not. So let's check out the details. It is an online shopping site that sells different categories of storage coolers. The site have two types of cooler, hard and soft coolers. The site has different choices under both categories of coolers. Let's check out the more specification of this site. It was created on 16 August 2021 and it will expire on 16 August 2022. The site is too young. It is HTTP secured website. Moreover, the website aims to sell storage cooler of different categories. The email address they have mentioned on their online portal is not matching the domain name. No email address, though contact number and physical address have been mentioned on the site online portal. Let's check out the positive point of shopping from this store. This website has got a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign here. Buyers can get two types of cooler. All the goods are available at very cheap rate. The disadvantages of this portal are the contact us section is incomplete as the contact details and the contact number are not provided. The email address provided does not match the domain name and it is a negative remark here. No exact time is mentioned in the delivery and shipping session. Many details on the website are not mentioned. So the question is SMTNEW legit or a scam? As we have discussed, the domain has been recently created. The trust score of this site is 1% out of 100. No reviews could be found on internet regarding this website, and this site has got a quite low rank in Alexa ranking. Most of the content is copied with fake images found. So as we all know that customer reviews are very helpful for us in our research regarding checking out the legitimacy and authenticity of any online website. So while searching for the details of customer feedback on this site, it has been seen that this online portal has no customer feedback present on the website or on any reliable source on internet. Customer feedbacks, we all know that a key factor to look at the knowing of the legitimacy of an online portal, and no customer review can make a website questionable and sometimes unreliable. So the absence of customer feedbacks on this site makes the site quite dubious. So we are recommending you at all to stay away from this website because it is a very suspicious website. Many details are missing on the website, like contact details, delivery policy, owner details have not been declared on the website. Moreover, no user have shared their reviews on the website, so it has been recommending for you, it's better not to shop from such suspicious website. And if you have a personal experience, please share your experience and views with us. Write in the comment box. We will be very happy to share and know your views and experience with us.